Oh, I have to go to school too. Oh shit, I'm late to school. I have to go. Yo, what's up, Wolfie?
What's up?
Hey, what's up?
What up, man?
Yo, it's gonna be a fun school day today.
It is. Yo, I can't wait for tomorrow. And I'm gonna have a blast.
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be lit. Hmm. Guys, the teacher hasn't come yet.
Hi, I'm late today.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, class. Today,
Good morning.
we're gonna learn some math. Wolfie, what is 5 plus 5?
Come on, Wolfie. You got
25.
Wolfie.
Can I get one more chance, teacher? Wait. Can I get one more chance?
Yes.
I think 10.
Good job, Wolfie. Roshi, what is 1,000? What is 1,535? What was?
Teacher?
Yes, Max.
Can I sit next to a Wolfie? I'm gonna be quiet.
Okay, but you got one chance.
Let's go! Wolfie!
Yo, what's up?
Yo, Wolfie, I got
Roshi!
the new battle pass in Fortnite.
What?
You did? The battle pass is so cool.
1,535
Yeah, I know I'm in the skins. But you
plus
know that a toxic kid we
10.
met yesterday?
By my deduction, it is
Yeah, that was-
Yo, I clipped him in
1,545.
1v1 and he started
Good
crying.
job,
Oh my god.
Roshi. I'm gonna
also,
write
I
some
was
things
like-
down.
I was like playing in a match and then I actually won it. So cool,
What?
dude.
Max?
And then